Hello friends, welcome to the another one video of mine. Like today's topic is very good. It's personal goals and the professional goal. I personally like this just because I got the time and I got the chance to tell you about myself. Like my personal life is already it's a little bit different from the retail. Before joining the retail, I was a fitness trainer in the fitness industry. So I always dreaming about like I will start my own gym. I will open my own gym. Like previously I was used to do that, but but due to some circumstances I have to wind up that. Like now in the future, if I get the chance to open a or do something for myself, so I'll prefer to open my gym, and I want to go for like something with a little different style or different technique or different kind of activities in my gym, like the all the gyms are doing in the market. Like so I want something with a different kind of gym for myself, and I want to run that. This is my dream, this is my goal for the my personally, and the secondly for my family. So I'll prefer to set the time to stay with my family, to make them happy, to make them cheer. Yes, because my father is working, my mother is also working, even I'm also working, my brother working, everyone is working. So when we start our morning, we used to go our offices every day. So we not get the time to sit down and talk to each other. So definitely I want to get that much time for their for them basically, to make them feel that yes, I did something for him. Yes, this is my personal goal for my family, for my loved ones, for my whoever knows me basically. And if we talk about the professional, so it's been more than 3 years in this industry. This is my first job in the retail basically. So I started from from the counter to the another one, and then after that we switched to the brand to brand, like from Armani Jeans, G Star, then Armani Exchange. Now it's been more than 3 years, so I'll decided for myself, like I always plan a small goals for myself to achieve, and this is the always make small goals to achieve your targets, because small steps always make you different in different and gives you the process in your goal. And I always want myself as a leader. Whatever I is a field or whenever is a field, I'll personally prefer people will work for me, not work